Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where you can't turn off airplane mode in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, check the radio management service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and go to the services window. Now scroll down to Windows Radio Management. Okay, Windows Radio Management Service. We will search for it in R. Yeah, right click on it and select Restart. After this, perform a network reset. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab. In the right pane, scroll down and select advanced network settings, network reset, and select reset now. And then click on yes. And lastly, update the network drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Open the device manager, expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.